In today's video, we are taking the JDM Evo 8 to its first car show. Neighbors, please don't hate me. It is currently 5 a.m. We have officially made it to Tuner Evo Miami. First meet with the red Evo 8. This is super exciting, super beautiful. I hope you guys can enjoy it, see the car for the first time that's in public, sorta. This is really exciting to me to have the car here at Tuner Evo Miami. It's turning out great. They're still pulling in a lot of cars, but you guys can see it here. This is obviously gonna be after the show, but it's right here, right next to the Tuner Evo booth. This is amazing. I still can't believe we finished this car. I know that the engine's not done yet, but it's still good to see it here and have it out for the first time. Paint is looking crispy.
Believe me, one more. Believe me.
Grab the camera and show you guys around some of my favorite builds. Obviously, personally, RX-7. Andy's RX-7 is beautiful engine bay. Just everything about this car I love. And he actually races the car, which is a plus. I love seeing cars that come to car shows and they also get raced. That's what cars are meant to do. Love it, Andy. Another beautiful build. This one's by Charles. This Supra is goals, super clean, does everything the correct way. Man, this is another one that's really nice, and I hope that one day I could own a Supra, and I also want a GTR. Who doesn't want a Supra? This one's super nice. Engine bay completely done. The outside, as you guys can see, is beautiful too. And then look at the interior. Super nice and really well taken care of. And my favorite part of the Supra, of course, the rear. It is so nice. This is one that I couldn't wait to see in person. This is a crazy build. Full carbon fiber, fenders, doors. It's a black car. I think roof is also carbon fiber. Yes, it is. Everything, trunk, rear bumper, full carbon fiber Evo, which is crazy. This is a body, Evo 5 or Evo 6. I believe it might be an Evo 6 if I'm not mistaken. But this particular Evo is one that I really want to have one day in my collection, and hopefully we could build to this caliber. This one's really nice and really cool. You never get to see a freaking carbon fiber Evo 6 or Evo 5 in the States, which is just crazy to see. Super beautiful, man. Props to you. Beautiful build. build that I have to show you guys. Ping's Sylvia with a RB26 swapped. This is insane. I wish we could turn it on and hear it. This car sounds crazy, and the interior is so minty. Take a look at this, man. This is like a work of art.